Hare Krishna, dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this kind of turban for Lord Jagannath and BALADEV. Please watch till the end. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Okay, now let's measure the circumference of Lord Jagannath. Start from the center and end to the center. So the measurement is 9 inches. And we need a base which is of same 9-inch measurement. Okay, so you can take anything, glass or a bottle, and measure it 9. And later we need fabric. Fabric is 2:1. Like we have to measure double the length of the circumference. So I'm going to take 29 plus 9, 18, and the width will be 6 inches. Okay. And then for the velcro we need the final measurement, that is the length is 18 inches and then the width will be 2 inches. So you got to take 2 inches width, and the foam sheet is also the same. You got to take 18 inches of the length and 2 inches of the width. So this is going to be our final length and width of the mukut, of the crown. So now let's fold it. So you got to place all the 3 in center and then fold it and secure the ends. You got to fold it and double fold the selvage and then start stitching. So you can hand hem it, or you can run it in the machine. You can make a running stitch or a machine stitch. So after stitching, you got to keep the cloth the band and then keep the base on it and start folding as shown. So you make a V fold and then fold it as shown. So you fold the first side and the second, you overlap both the. So after folding it, please hold it tightly and then you should start hemming it. Okay, so you start hemming it from the center of the joint as shown. You start hemming both the ends, so that it's better, it's nice when you blind hem it or you just hem it. So when you blind hem it, it looks good and perfect. The stitches won't be seen, but if you hem it, the stitches will be seen. So you hold it tightly and then start hemming it and continue the same all over the edges, so that the mukuts, the base is strong, firm, and it doesn't remove fast. So you continue the same way as shown in the video. I've taken a darker black shade. It's difficult for you all to just find out the stitches. Please pardon me. Next time this will not be repeated. Okay, now when it comes to the end, when you have reached the end, you got to stitch it with the base. So still now you would have stitched only the 2 laps. Now the 2 laps and the base should be stitched. Cut out the extras and start stitching. It's nice when you stitch a buttonhole stitch, so that the rough edges are the raw edges are binded or covered, and you start stitching, and the sides also a simple hem will do. Please don't come to the stitch the front part also, you just end it in the side as shown in the video. So you end it in the side, back side, and continue the same thing on the other end. So we should not stitch till the front base, still the front, so it will look very odd and you cannot expand the crown, since Jagannath's head is not like round. So we should not stitch till the front center. So you continue stitching the same way, and here you can just stitch hemming. A simple hemming can be done and secured. So you, as the side comes, you end it over there. You don't go and stitch the front part also, just end it over there and lock your stitch as shown in the video. Okay, now it's done. So you can see in the video, you can like we just stitched the raw ends and the sides. So the base is round and neatly finished. Now you can just check it out on the lordships for the fitting. So it's fitting perfect. You can see even back side, it's perfect. So now I'll show you all how to do frills. So frills, there are two kinds. One is the running stitch. You take a piece of fabric, fold it, and you just give a run stitch and form gathers. So this is a kind of frill where you can the frill final product will look like a flower. It doesn't give a sharp edges or the it looks like flower. So you can just stitch it and secure it with a knot. And the second so the second method is the folding method, like how we fold for fans. The same way you got to gather folds, or you got to like a sari fleet, how we fleet in a sari, the same way you fleet and then you stitch the ends. So this type gives you a sharp end and it looks very nice and it gives a very nice neat finish. So you can look over here, you again fold it and start fleeting it. So you start folding it up and down, so that it gives you a nice crease and it gives sharp edges. So do as shown in the video. So it's nice if you cannot in the very first go, when you cannot hold it so much, you can attach a ball pin or a pearl pin, secure it and then start folding it, so that it gives you a even more comfortable way of stitching it. So you fold it and then you give a stitch. So this is the two kinds of ways I do the frills for the crown and mukut or turbans. So this is how it looks. Can you see the difference? This gives a nice V shape and that is like a flower petal. So this is how it looks. And the other one is the running stitch method and this one is of thing. So I've used so many frills for this crown. So now I'm going to start fixing the frills to the crown base. It's just a running stitch which you just insert a needle and then you fix it over there. You can just hem it. And secure it with the needle and thread, or else if you're not comfortable with that, you can use hot glue guns and then just stick it over the base wherever you require and like. So once you stitch, it is secured, it will not rip out. Sometimes hot glues also, as days pass by, it comes out, but stitching is actually a good way and a good method so that it lasts for a long time. So the first pleat is done, the first frill is fixed. Now you can, it's all up to your creativity. You can just start up with any other color. So this today my thing is, I've taken black and golden color, so I wanted black and gold color combination, so that I thought I will show it to y'all. So one black, one gold, again black, again gold will look very nice. So you just hem it, and you just hem it twice or thrice, so that the frill is fixed over there. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to just secure all the frills in the base. It's very easy to do. It just needs practice and little bit of patience, where we can come out with beautiful turbans as we stitch. As you stitch new clothes for the lordships, you can also make matching turbans for them, and they look just wow. They will look just wow, gorgeous. Turban needs little of our time. When you are perfectly learned and practiced, it hardly takes 30 minutes to do a turban. So initially starting, it might take little time consuming, but as say practice makes man perfect, the same way, when I would like to tell, as you practice, it just becomes like very easy for you to just make turbans for our lordship and preserve it, or keep it along with our dresses. And just when we shringar them, it's so easy to shringar them, and it doesn't consume much time while we shringar them. And generally crowns we can make out of, like, you can think many things, you can get many ideas, and then you can do according to it. And my next upcoming video is like, I want to teach y'all how to make dresses, and how can we design dresses according to taking from an inspiration, then developing it into designs, and then pattern making, and then the final product. So I would like the next coming up video is going to be of the same, from content, from concept to the final outlook. So there you can learn how to choose colors, what kind of colors can be added, color combination. You will get ideas about color combination and designs, pattern, everything will be taught in the the upcoming video. So please do watch my videos, and please do subscribe, so that you are up to date in my content, and you learn how to do. Even you too can become a fashion designer. Okay, now I've fixed all the frills and fans. Just check it on the lordships. Okay, it's perfect. You can just see whether it is like thing. And I've used few lace, a simple lace, and this is that with the one which we use for our sari blouses. So you can just stitch it over there. And you can just fix it over there, and it just hangs over. It looks very nice. You can make it or you can buy it. It's readily available in the market, so you can just pick one. And I've used these roses, golden leaf, black leaf, and few white beads and golden beads. So this is how I just stuck it. I just used hot glue and I've just stuck it. You can just take a look of it. So this is how the turban will look on our lordships. And the down. Okay, this is the final look. Look how fitting it is in the back side and the front side. So it looks very nice. Please do try at home, and you can post your pictures in the comment section so that it gives me thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Hare Krishna. Thank you all.